Hi guys, I'm John James and you're welcome to my channel Pro James. In this video we're going to be looking at how to back up your data on Google Drive, your videos, your pictures, your music and so other important documents, your Google Drive. Now this Google Drive particularly is for Android users, for Apple users and other iPhone and Apple products. You'll be using the iCloud to back up your information. So if you are new to the channel, we will love it if you leave a like to this video and also subscribe to be part of this great family. We're heading to 1,000 subscribers, and if you are a member of this channel, you're welcome back to the channel. You know how we roll, guys. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, this video should not take more than 3 minutes. It's very simple and short steps. First thing I'm going to do is to download the Google Drive. So I have it downloaded here already. We'll go to our Play Store and we are going to search for Google Drive. So just type in Google Drive. You will see this second one. Now the Google Drive have over 5 billion downloads. I did not say million, I say 5 billion downloads. That's how original it is. So when it's downloaded, go straight to open the application and to take you straight to your Google Drive. So you should be automatically logged in once your email is logged into your phone or to your device. You should be automatically logged into your Google Drive. Now, as you can see, I don't have anything here yet. So we're going to look around. This is the home. So from the home, you can see, okay, I already have some files I saved here. I forgot. You can see start, you can see the shared, you can as well share some of your files from this place. Now from files, you can upload your own files. This is how you do it. Click on the plus, click on upload, then select the file of your choice and upload. Select the file of your choice and upload, and as you can see, a file is already uploading and there it is. So that's how simple it is. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you did, don't forget to leave a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more important videos. Pro James signing out. Peace out.